Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I went to grocery store to get some grocery for my kitchen. I bought some spices, ginger spice, garlic spice and pepper soup spice, and some seasoning cube, curry seasoning also. Then I got this basmati rice. Is very good. I love this brand. It's good for weight loss and it's really good for diabetic patient also. So I bought some milk for my pap. You can use it for pap also. You can use it for custard. You can use it for breakfast also. Then I got some Titus sardine. So I can use it for my rice also. I can use it for my toast bread. 3 liters of King's. I bought it for 11,500 and basmati rice and oats. This seasoning cube goes for 3.5. Then the semovita also, and this coconut. Yes, I want to use it for coconut rice. I love coconut rice. Then I bought 2 crates of eggs. 2 crates of eggs is 6,800. The onions, a rubber of onions goes for 8,500. And also the pasta, each of them is 1,200. Guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can be bringing you more beautiful things. Thank you. Bye bye.